Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity today. Okay, I will I will explain my proposal entitled Language Assessment Use Teacher in the Process of English Learning in the School. Okay, next chapter 1. Introduction. Education is a human need. Education is always changing, development, and improving in accordance with development in all areas of life. In the teaching and learning process, teachers are required to be able to create situations that allow students to be active and creative, and to motivate students to learn English because many students have problems learning English at school. Language assessment is used by teachers in the teaching and learning process of English and how teachers use language assessment for their evaluation. Next, problem formulation. So this research was conducted to find what kinds of language assessment are used by teachers in the learning process, and how do teachers assess language in their evaluation. Next, objective of the research. Based on this research question, the objective of this research are to find out what kinds of language assessment are used by the teacher in teaching English learning process at school. To find out how do the teacher use the language assessment for their evaluation. Next, the significance of the research. The result of this research was expected to be useful, helpful information for readers and especially for their teacher of English subject. Some advantage of this research are as follows. For the English teacher, as reference for the teacher in including good teacher in give assessment for the student. For the result of this research is expected to be useful and helpful information and can be evaluable reference for another research relating to this case or the research for the English teaching development in future. Next, the scope of the research. The scope of the research focus how the teacher use the language assessment for their evaluation. In this research, the researchers focus in the kinds of assessments such as affective assessment, cognitive assessment, and play psychomotor assessment in assessing the student. Next, chapter 2, research method. The author will research with descriptive qualitative research as a research method because it is an accordance with the collection of data from the opinions of teacher and conduct interview to collect data. After that, data analysis and data verification. Research site. The place that will be used in conduction research on language assessment use teacher in the process of English learning in the school Pesantren Aliyah Pambusuan. Next, research instrument. This research involves teacher and student in collecting as much data as possible to find out the development of English learning mastered by each student, including observation, interviews, and documentation studies. Sample data score. The sample of data score was carried out by checking information from the principal teacher and talented student in each class. Next, data collection techniques. Observation, interview, and documentation study. Data analysis techniques. Data analysis in qualitative research is carried out since before entering the field, during the field, and after finishing in the field. Next, conclusion. There are three kinds of language assessment conducted in the teaching and teaching process. The first is affective assessment. This assessment is very important because as we know that the current era of globalization, there are many students who do not have a good attitude to their teachers. And the second is cognitive assessment. Knowledge assessment is divided into three, namely written test, oral test, and assessment. These three things have commitment between one and another to improve student English skill. And the last is psychomotor assessment. In the learning process, the teacher uses language assessment according to something that is needed by student, and affective assessment teacher only use teacher classroom observation in giving final grades to student. In cognitive assessment, teacher use written test. In the written test, what is often done is true, false, multiple skill, stuffing, correctness, matchmaking, and description. Then the oral test by the teacher is giving quiz to student and question and answer the last segment. Then for the psychomotor, that is usually done by teacher is practice in the form of speaking, given project and portfolios. Okay, thank you.